Here we see a baby head right down below. And if you notice, the overall shape to the baby's head is that it's boxy in nature. You can take the part of the head above the midway, that is called the cranium. The midway mark in red here is the superior orbital rim. Then below that, the next quarter is the inferior orbital rim, just below the eye. The next quarter is the subnasale, that's below the nose. The next quarter is below the lips. And then you have the chin. Now we have what we call the vertical fifth. You see the central part here, that is the nose. The next section are the eyes. And so you notice the eye width and the nose width should be about the same. If you add another vertical fifth, then that's going to go from the outer part of the eye to the side of the head. In adults, that's typically where the ears would end, but in children, because they have more of that boxy shape to their head, you actually have the ears sticking out. What would be probably another 1/10 on each side. Now, overall, you see the proportions horizontally and vertically. What I've done here is that I have labeled those same features, and you can see the head actually fits nicely into those features as I line them up. And if you were to draw a caricature or a cartoon, you can see just how well it fits into that, and it has the appearance of a baby face. And please tell me what you learned today. I'd like to respond to your comments, so leave some comments below. Have a great day. Bye.